Hi my friends, welcome to another video today. But today I want you to come eat with me, and while we are eating together, I want to tell you a story because I really need your opinion in this. So if you find yourself in a situation that puts you into the state of fright, you know what I mean, that you're afraid, kind of, it comes suddenly when you're expecting it, would you rather respond or you will react? I ask the question again. If you see yourself in a sudden situation that makes you to be very, very fearful of that situation, how would you handle it? Would you rather respond to that situation or you will react to the situation? Now, I'll tell you a story and maybe you understand better what I mean. So there was this situation at a restaurant. A cockroach suddenly flew from nowhere or from somewhere and sat on a lady. She started screaming out of fear. With a panic-stricken face and trembling voice, she started jumping with both hands and desperately trying to get rid of the cockroach. Her reaction was contagious as everyone in her group also got panicky. The lady finally managed to push the cockroach away, but it landed on another lady in the group. Now, it was the turn of the other lady in the group to continue the drama. The waiter rushed forward to their rescue. In the relay of throwing, the cockroach nest fell upon the waiter. But here is what the waiter did. The waiter stood firm, composed himself, and observed the behavior of the cockroach on his shirt. When he was confident enough, he grabbed it with his wings and threw it out of the restaurant. Sipping my tea and watching the amusement, the antenna of my mind picked up a few thoughts and started wondering if the cockroach was responsible for their panicky behavior. If so, then why was the waiter not disturbed? He handled it near to perfection without any chaos. It is not the cockroach, but the inability of the ladies to handle the disturbance caused by the cockroach that disturbed the ladies. Now, so what did I understand from this story? I understood that I should not react in life. I should always respond. Now you may want to ask me, what is the difference between responding and reacting? Now, let's look at what, if you ask me, I would say the waiter experienced or demonstrated boldness. And what is boldness? Boldness is having courage, speaking or acting against what is wrong, no matter what others think or say. And again, I will say the waiter also demonstrated calmness. And we all know that calmness is a cradle of power. Reactions are always instinctive, whereas responses are always well thought of, just and right to save a situation from going out of hand, to avoid cracks in a relationship, to avoid making decisions in anger, anxiety, stress, or fury. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.